To scan documents on Samsung Galaxy S26, first of all, you will need to open your camera app. Then go to the four dots right here and then look for the gear icon to open settings. Inside, we want to go for a scanning and make sure that document scan is active right here. When it is, you will need to bring up some document or anything that you want to scan. For example, I'm gonna go for this box right here. Then lift your phone and while the phone looks at this specific thing, it will show you a scan. Click on this scan and then it will take a photo of the object or document, and that way we can add a scan to take a next photo, but I don't want to take a next photo. Let's save it like it is. And here's how the scanning looks like. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.